welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today we're going to have a look at Back in Black, AC/DC. So it starts with an E power chord to a D power chord, and it goes, and you shut this down immediately, so, and you shut the sound down straight away, so no ringing of the string, so, and then A again, down, and it's all syncopated, so you get down. So it's all between the pulse, so again, two, ta. So if I tap there or nod my head on where the pulse is, and then you've got this little twiddly bit which is a three open, and then you bend up, pull off. So on the E, three open, on the B, three open, and on the G, so, and then back to the riff, and then you run up from the 2/4, 2/5, 2/6, 2/7, and these notes are identical. Makes no sense, but sounds fantastic. So, and it's done in a sort of tripeted groove. So, when I mean tripeted, I mean against the groove of the 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. And then you're going to go to the chorus, which is A power chord, E power chord, and then B power chord, and then A power chord again, back to B power chord. So it goes A, E, B, A, B. And then you get a G, and then to a D, then to an A. And then you bend out on the 3rd fret on the E to an open A. So G, D, A, back to A, E, A, and then you go to a G open, leave this open, 2, 3, and then to D, back to the riff. 2, 3. Two, three. Chorus again. A, E, B, A, B. G. A. G. Now, here's a little bit of a messing around with the solo part. Now, all it is pentatonic. So this is in a pentatonic run, in a major pentatonic. And you can do this up here, just mirror it up here. So, and he's just messing around with notes from that scale. So. And all this is, I'm just mirroring what I do here. I go. And all this is bending out on the 15, and then you're bending it out to And it's just you know, sort of boom. Well, Tim Henson said boomer benzo. And back to the riff. Anyway, and then he goes to and there, so on and so forth. Anyway, that's the sort of main points of the song, little touchstones to go on, and it gives you an essence of the song. Anyway, hope you like that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment sections, anything you'd like me to have a look at, and we'll see you next time.